Hello. So we've drawn Wee Donkey herself, and we've drawn the giant here on a couple of other videos. Now we're going to draw the Basking Shark from Wee Donkey's Treasure Hunt, written by Erica McGann and illustrated by myself. If we have a look inside, we'll see where Wee Donkey meets the Basking Shark under the water. And there she is, taking him away on her adventure. He looks a bit surprised. Okay, so we're going to draw the Basking Shark under the water. The first thing we'll do, I'm using a blue pencil. You could use blue, you could use any color you like. Marker crayon, paintbrush. And the first thing will be to put in some waves so that we can see we're under the sea. All right. Now, I'm going to go this way with our Basking Shark, putting his head over here. So they have a huge mouth, absolutely massive. It is incredible how big it is. Look, this is an open mouth. We're doing a round, curvy shape to about there. That'll be the bottom of his mouth. So if you can do a shape like this, curving, huge mouth down to there. That's the front of his head. So we'll do the top of his head now, going over to his fin, which will be about there. So watch this. I'm going to curve a little bit down and then a straighter line across to about there. Okay, great. So we can put in an eye first to give him a bit of character. A round circle for his eye, and he can be looking forward at the food that he's going to be eating. Num 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 num. Okay, we'll continue on the top of his body before we go anywhere else. So we'll put in a big fin, a round, well, curvy line, and then at a bit of an angle, a straighter line coming down. So that's his fin. So it's like a triangle shape, just two sides. And then if we continue on towards his tail, straighter line, keep going, and then just stop about there. We're going to put in a smaller fin. They have the one at the back towards her tail, and then keep going again, down about here, and we'll put in a huge big tail. Now when I say huge, everything about these sharks is huge. They're really long. I think nearly 8 meters long. So there we have the top of his tail at an angle. Now we're going to do kind of like a triangle shape going down to here. We're going to go back in to there. Then we're going to do the bottom half of that tail, coming back out again at an angle. And then we're going to go from there back in again. Another triangle, and stop about here where the tail meets the body again. Now, where should we go? Back down to the front of the shark. His mouth is here, and we'll do his body going up to his flipper, which should be about there. And that's what he uses to swim with, to get around so quickly. So kind of a curvy line up to there. And then we'll put in that flipper, which is like a long flipper, a line at an angle. And it's kind of similar to what we did with his tail. It's a bit of a triangle shape. So that's going back up to there. Actually, you could, because the flipper starts in the middle of his body, you could just put that line a bit further up. Okay. We'll go on then to the last bit, which is towards his tail again, and he has a couple more flippers. So, not flippers, little fins, I should say. Sorry about that. One fin there, go on a bit more, and another small triangle, another little fin. You're already quite small there. And then that will connect back to his tail. Okay, right. I could see that he could have one more flipper just here. The other one on the other side. We'll put that there. Like that. Little triangle. So, gills. Fish breathe through gills, slits down the side of their body, and the basking shark has very, very long ones. We'll put in one long line there, another one. There's 3. You actually have 5. 3, 4, 5. If you don't have room, don't worry about it. 3 or 4. But the gills are what they breathe through. Now this mouth, like I said, is open a lot of the time. They just drift around the ocean with their mouth wide open and all the food just lands inside. How handy is that? And their food is quite tiny, little teeny weeny little hard to see plankton, barnacles, tiny shellfish, little fish, a teeny little fish here, tiny one with a little tail. They're all coming into the poor fish into the huge basking shark's mouth, and they're going to get eaten up. And we can put in more fish that made lucky escapes floating around him. We can add in some of my favorites. I really love to draw these. You can guess what this is. Jellyfish. Jellyfish. Jellyfish on the plate. No. I put in another jellyfish. Down here. Put in the tail. So there will be many of these around the west coast as well. There have been a lot of basking sharks seen this year around the west coast. I saw them on the news. So many of them. They're even going around in circles together. There's some more fish. So that's our basking shark. And if you want to share your drawing, you could ask a grown-up to add on the hashtag WeDonkey, because he's from the book We Donkey's Treasure Hunt. We Donkey Art. Okay. Thanks for joining in. Happy drawing. Bye.